So business-wise, I'm a dairy farmer. We milk cows for a living and we grow feed to feed them. We've got about 6,000 irrigated acres of corn silage that we grow every year, as well as about the same amount of wheat that we grow every winter to feed our cows. It takes a lot of water to grow that volume of feed. And in addition to that, then the cows need water to drink and for cooling in the summer. So we use a lot of water. That being said, we do recycle a lot of the water as well. We capture the water that we use for cooling, and we put that through pivots and use that as part of our irrigation needs. What are the biggest challenges that our region faces regarding water? Probably would be surface flows. When it gets really, really dry in the summertime and we have drought, the surface water flows really, really drop. And that affects some of the critical habitat, but it also affects farmers being able to irrigate. So that's the water quantity volume, but we also need to look at the water quality. And as flows drop, it really impacts and lessens the water quality in the creeks as well. So I would say if we can keep flows up in the creeks, especially in the summertime when we're challenged, that would solve a lot of our issues.
Regional water planning, for me personally, is just very critically important for the prosperity of our state in many, many ways, from recreational issues to municipalities and how they manage the water for the communities, their businesses. And then again, for our agriculture community. My county, Dooley County, is one of the largest cotton producing counties in the state of Georgia. And so irrigation and water use is very important. For Crisp County, Georgia, we have Lake Blackshear, which is a wonderful recreational resource. And so every single county within the Upper Flint and within any of the water regions has very specific reasons why water is important: water quality, water quantity, and what it means for the individuals that live there and for the potential growth of that area as well.
We all depend on water to survive. Now, we all have different needs for water in addition to drinking water, but really it's everyone in our region, and we must come together. We can't do our own thing and take away from other areas. We must come together and develop solutions that help everyone in the region. And I would encourage people to get involved. So I would say anybody that's interested in water, talk to some council members and come to one of our meetings and just see what we do. I'm Adam Graft. I'm a dairy farmer from Sumter County. I'm very vested in our water resources. I milk dairy cows. We use a lot of water to water them, to cool them, to grow corn for them, to feed them. I have 2 LAS systems, and I'm also partnered on a renewable natural gas project converting some